6 steps that our upholstery cleaning experts take to clean your assets. It's always wiser to hire professionals to clean your upholstery. That's because they take certain definite steps for cleaning. Take, for instance, our upholstery cleaning experts in Melbourne at Best Carpet Cleaning Melbourne. They will take the following steps for upholstery cleaning. It will help you to stay safe in this pandemic situation for sure. Vacuuming. Spot test. Spot cleaning. Clean other debris. Dry up. So you see, our upholstery cleaners in Melbourne are specific in approach. This results in some impeccable cleaning that helps in staying safe. Indeed, it helps to keep the COVID-19 at bay with some perfect cleaning. Call us at 1-800-960-244. Contact us at info@bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com. Visit us at bestcarpetcleaningmelbourne.com.